Alright, so here's what I was thinking for the verses.
I'm living the dream. It's just one of those dreams where you're losing all your teeth. And if you think that it gets better, darling, take a look at me. I'm in too deep. It's the same dried ramen in a bowl I'm too lazy to clean. But I'm not drunk texting my ex anymore. Oh, my father could be proud of me.
Alright. So what I was doing there is just a simple walk down situation from an A chord. So I'm starting with my thumb, just plucking the A string. And since I'm holding my pick, I'm just using middle ring and pinky to pluck the D, G, and the B. So I'm barring across the second fret of the D, G, and the B. And I'm just plucking thumb on A, all simultaneously. Then I'm taking middle finger, setting it on third fret of the low E. So it's going to sound like this. Alright, so barring that A, second fret of the D, G, and the B. You're just going to do 3 sets of plucks. Dot, dot, dot. Then your middle finger sets down third fret of the low E. Thumb jumps up to E now, but middle finger, ring finger, and pinky still pluck the D, G, and the B. So you're just walking that bass note down. So the high part of the chord stays the same. Now thumb comes over the top, second fret of the low E. Alright, so we got... Alright, then we got to play a couple chords. An F, an F to an E. So I'm playing an F bar chord. You could probably play an alternate F if you want, but I'll show you how to play the bar chord. You bar the first fret, then middle finger sets down on second fret of the G, ring finger, third fret of the A, pinky, third fret of the D. And again, I'm plucking low E, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky, still on that D, G, and the B. Then you go to a standard E chord. So that's index finger, first fret of the G, middle finger, second fret of the A, ring finger, second fret of the D. Again, thumb on low E string. So here's what we got. So I think that second time it just gonna pluck once on the F and then stop. And then so you just gotta listen for those little variations. Right? Alright. So there might be another little variation in there, but it's those chords, and you might just have to stop early or stop on a different chord. But that's the idea of that part. Now, the part where he won't wear the cat ears, here's what I had for that. So let's play that.
But I'm not drunk texting my ex anymore. Oh, my father could be proud of me. Still I don't know where the cat is.
Alright, so I'm basically just playing a walk down from an F minor bar chord. So you're going to start on 9th fret of the A through the high E, bar A through the high E on the 9th fret, middle finger sets down on the 10th fret of the B, ring finger 11th fret of the D, pinky 11th fret of the G. And let's see what's a good strum pattern for this.
But I'm not drunk texting my ex anymore. Oh, my father could be proud of me.
Okay, so maybe just a down, up, up, down, down, up, down. All right, down, up, up, down. Then we're gonna go to a slash chord. So what this is a what is this? A C sharp over F. So we're going from F sharp minor to this C sharp over F. So what you're gonna do here is your index finger is gonna walk. So we're walking down. Again, we're walking bass notes. Say for the strum pattern.
But I'm not drunk texting my ex anymore. Oh, my father could be proud of me. Still I want where the cat is.
Yeah, okay, so down, up, down. And then index finger walks down to that, what is that? That's 8th fret of the A. Pinky still on 11th fret of the D. Ring finger 10th fret of the G, middle finger 9th fret of the B. So you should get that sound. All right, next chord, just an E triad. So index finger 7th fret of the A, and then ring finger bars the D, G, and the B on the 9th fret. All right, then we're going to do that slash chord again, but this time it's a B over E flat. So index finger is on the 6th fret of the A, pinky 7th fret of the D, ring finger 8th fret of the G, middle finger 7th fret of the B. All right, then a D triad, index finger 5th fret of the A, ring finger bars 7th fret of the D, G, and the B. And I think we stay for 2 times through the strum pattern there. So you're going to go. All right, after that you're going to go to a G. And that is a bar chord G I'm playing there, so just bar across 3rd fret and then make an E shape. So middle finger sets down on that 4th fret of the G, ring finger 5th fret of A, pinky 5th fret of D. So let's hear all that. The cat ears.
But I'm not drunk texting my ex anymore. Oh, my father could be proud of me. Still I want where the cat is.
All right, so then we got this part.
It's a work of art. It's not an ego hoodie, it's a work of art. I get turned on by my reflection in.
So we're gonna go A. So that's just that same A you can play that we had here, 2nd fret of the D, G, and the B. You just bar across. And then B minor to F sharp minor. So B minor is a 2nd fret bar from A to high E. Middle finger sets down 3rd fret of B, ring finger 4th fret of D, pinky 4th fret of G. And down, up, down, I think. And then to get to the F sharp, you just hop your index finger up, ring finger and pinky jump up. So if you look at that, ring finger and pinky just jump up to that 4th fret of the A, pinky 4th fret of the D. So you got. All right, so this again is just, you have to listen for the little variations, but it's pretty much gonna go from that A. Let's see. So let's see that part, because I think there's some little changes in there.
Passing car, work of art. It's not an ego hoodie, it's a work of art.
So I don't know if you caught all that, but I'm pretty much just playing a lot of the same chords. I think. So it's a lot of the same chords. It's going to go to that E that time though. So let me slow this down. Let me just put this on slower speed here in YouTube and then.
Get turned on by my reflection in passing car. I'm looking for a window to another world where I don't feel as lost, but I just don't want to be a song boy.
All right. So there's a lot of different sections, but hopefully that helps you get a good start on this one. Sorry, it's been a while since I made a lesson, so that one was maybe a little bit out of practice, but hopefully it was still helpful for you, and I will see you on the next video.